Hello you guys, welcome to A Spoon of Fork. Today we're going to be making some meatballs. So we got 1 pound of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of Tony Chachere's, some salt, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to be using some tomato sauce in mine, so I'm going to make some spaghetti and meatballs. But you can take the same meatballs that we make here today and we can put them in, you can do the barbecue meatballs in the crock pot if you'd like. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and put in a half a cup of breadcrumbs into our ground meat. Just put it all up in there. Our breadcrumbs, and we're going to go ahead and get our hands in there and give it a good old mix all together, just like so. So once we get it all incorporated, we're going to go ahead and make us meatballs. So now that we have it all mixed up together, we're going to go ahead and get a nice size amount. Also, and you're going to roll it into balls just like this. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. So now we have a rolled out ball. We're going to go ahead and put it on our baking sheet. Just drop them on there just like so. And just keep rolling them out until they all rolled out. And then we're going to put them in our oven on 350 for 10 to 15 minutes until they're cooked. Just keep rolling them out into balls, just like so. Just a whole bunch of balls rolled out. The breadcrumbs, what makes it soft. You know, you don't want a hard meatball. So just, same size, just keep making them going down. And just keep placing them on your pan, just like so. Well, some just fell. My dog will probably get it. But just keep rolling into a ball. See, roll up into a ball, just like so. Pop it onto your pan. Now that our oven is preheated, we're going to go ahead and take our meatballs and go ahead and stick them in the oven on 350. See, they're nice and things. So we're going to go ahead and stick them in the oven, like so. Put them in the oven, you guys. Go ahead and put them in the oven. Let them cook for 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure they're cooked. And we're going to come back in a minute. Guys, it's time to take the meatballs out of the oven. So now we're going to go ahead and take them and put them into our pot. And then we're going to add in our spaghetti sauce. We're finished, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and take them out of the oven. Here go our meatballs. So we're going to go ahead and take them out of the oven so they're fully cooked. Then we're going to go ahead and put them into a pot. Let's go ahead and take our meatballs off our pan. And go ahead and stick them in our pot, just like so. See, our meatballs are done. Meatballs. Then go ahead and scoop them out. I think my hands will work better. So we're dropping our meatballs in. Go ahead and drop our meatballs in there. That's a lot of meatballs. Now I'm going to go ahead and take our sauce. Best way to get it open. ahead and, well, let me show you the meatballs. So see, this is the meatballs here. We're going to go ahead and pour our sauce on top. Then you're going to go ahead and add in a tablespoon of sugar, just so we can get in that bitter stuff. Give it a good old stir. We're going to go ahead and cook this for 15 to 20 minutes on the stove. See you guys. Yummy, yummy. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the stove. We're going to go ahead and add in about a tablespoon of sugar, just like so. Now we're going to go ahead and put this thing on the burner. Go ahead and stick it on the burner. And then allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, you guys. For 15 to 20 minutes. And then we have some water boiling over here for our pasta. And we're going to go ahead and use these skinny pasta noodles. Now our water's starting to boil. We're going to go ahead and put them in there. We're going to go ahead and put them in there. Allow them to cook. Sauce is done. And our noodles is boiling. Woohoo! Yeah, y'all. Uh-oh. Yeah, look at them meatballs, y'all. Woo! And pasta is done. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our stuff on our meatballs. Uh-oh. There you have it, you guys. Meatballs and spaghetti.